Hello everyone, I'm back with some updates on this Sencore PR570. Here's the broken parts. That's Hickey, huh, Cotty? Yeah, she wanted to visit today, so she wants to make this hers. She's rubbing all over it. There's some of the pieces from the side, but here's one that's kind of mostly intact. It's got some stress on it. But I did the 3D prints. Somebody already had a model. So here's the 3D prints. I made all 4 of them in space gray. Maybe I should have made them in black. But you want to sniff that? She just wants pets. She wants pets. What's that? Okay. But screw fits. And I got some sheet metal to straighten up on the back here. I got to actually remove the transformer from the inside of it. Got to empty the back half out to get it totally straight, but I got the majority of it already. But to get these to fit perfectly, that would be kind of an angle. I need to straighten that out. But the bottom's intact, so we will thread this in here. And it fits. Looks pretty solid. So I'll get, whenever I get time, I'll do the rest of those. Want to see those? And we have Shadow lurking in the back. Shadow. She don't like to jump up here. Sometimes she'll jump up here when Cotty is not up here. So, but she's just gonna sit here and watch me until I make a noise. But I did do a lot of cleaning on this case. I'm not sure if you can tell, but if you look at the prior video, the unboxing video, you can see this side looks a lot nicer. I got rid of the bubblegum consistency on that. Still has a big cut, big broken spot on the bezel right there, but I cleaned it up. The front, I got as much of the mold off as I could, but it's still a little yellow. But yeah, these parts here will go in the trash over here. Are you getting scared? You're just gonna sit there and look at me, huh? What do you want? What is this? I do have a 3D print question. I tried looking for something, maybe one of you guys out there knows. The support material. I go through a lot of it when I do my prints because a lot of things you have to run supports. So I'd like to be able to instead of throwing this out with the rubbish, find a way to recycle it. Does anybody know of a reasonably priced recycling grinder extruder machine that I can just toss this stuff in? If so, comment below. Oh, that was Shadow. She's rubbing on things around here. But Cotty, you're staying around. She has such pretty blue eyes, don't you? She's such a light kitty too. She don't weigh a lot. She didn't like that. Hey. It's like she's gonna just cuddle right up to it. Yeah. If it's on the bench, it's yours, huh? I'm gonna rub those paws. We get paw rub, huh? You hold Dad's finger. So I'll just let it run with Cotty in the picture. Because everybody likes Cotty. Uh-oh. Ooh. There shouldn't be a fight. They don't mind each other. That's just Shadow. Oop. That's Cotty's spot. She gets protective. She don't like Norman. Like, Cotty don't meow much. She growls. Yeah, you growl at Norman, huh? She is such a pretty kitty. She got eye booger though. The Sencore will be coming in very, very handy with the other one. I'm hoping to get some work done this week on my bench. Maybe it'll be installed next week. Well, I'll let this run till 10-minute mark. So you still got 1 minute 15, 10 seconds to check out Cotty or the Sencore. But we can show you the knife. It is made in Japan. Yeah. Not sure why they sent a steak knife, but you never know what you get from some of these sellers. I've had some weird local Craigslisters. Oh. Dum Dum came for a visit. He's like, it's late. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll probably be doing some more videos on this Sencore before it gets put into service on the bench. So See y'all later.